Hey, what's up guys, Miyagi. I got a quick tip for you on how to keep your pillow from shifting left or right while you're sleeping on your pad in the backcountry. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. How many times has this happened to you? You're laying in the shelter or you're laying in your tent and you wake up and your pillow is not where it's supposed to be. Well guys, I got a simple trick for you. Most all hikers have a puffy jacket. Take for instance a ghost whisperer. I'm going to show you a little trick to keep this pillow right where it needs to be for a really good night's rest. Take your jacket, zip it all the way up like this, and fit it around the top of your pad. Pull it all the way up to the collar. Just like that. Take your pillow, blow it up to the desired thickness. Tuck that puppy in. And because you're laying on part of it, it's going to keep that pillow in place and it's not going to shift left or right, up or down. And that is going to give you a good night's rest. Here's an extra pro tip for you. A lot of you carry these little Thermarest butt pads or the equivalent. Take that pad when you're not using it at night, put that sucker right up inside of your toe box and put your feet on that. That's going to help insulate your feet at night and it's going to help keep your toes nice and warm. Pro tip number 3, if you're in a shelter like I am here in the Smoky Mountains, one of the things that you don't want to do, if at all possible, is sleep, put your pad in your bag along the edge of the shelter. That tends to be where the mice like to run at night. And shelter life, that's just part of what you're going to have to deal with is mice. But if you're not along the edge like I am right now, I'm kind of in the center and not against the wall, it's going to help keep the mice from at least getting into your stuff. Now, sometimes these shelters are full and you don't really have a choice, but if at all possible, stay away from the walls. Thanks again for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Hit the click and like and subscribe button for more of these tips and tricks by Miyagi.